Everybody needs a ninja. Something I have always said. 'Cause you never know when someone else might wanna see you dead. Everybody needs a ninja. Ninjas know just when to strike. Though they dress the same, I'd never say that they all look alike. 'Cause that ain't right. They do ninja moves with ninja things. Watch ninja ball with ninja wings. And ninja beers that they can kill one bottle at a time. They strike from near or far away. You'll never know if you're their prey. They always make their getaway. No ninja prints or stars are left behind. Everybody needs a ninja. Maybe one or two would work, so that you can use one when your boss is acting like a jerk. Everybody needs a ninja. Well, that's a simple fact of life. They can kill with sheets of paper. They don't need no stinking knife.
She just moved right up the block for me. She got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, when that's okay, 'cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time, I better make this with her mine. And that's for sure, 'cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to
come
me.
on.
I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about that girl. No way, hey. No, they gon' fight over no day, hey. As you can see, but I like your steez, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave